Dango Speezy.
Baby, why did you leave me?
Leave me.
Baby, why did you deceive me?
Yeah, Sevaidili MCs. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, ifikile track. Jambo Lord. Yeah, so rapper now. Check it, this ain't a one man's war, rhymes made raw. I got a hurricane fist, I aim to break it, 9 men's jaws. In my man's war, respect him, military man Joe. Shut up with niggas from the hood, that's pandis parties that's told. Now we can't fall, I'm there with my own. Dimasha soul, left front and lip, I make a call, it's some coast, Nyagasa some coast. Gota seko comfy at all, we haunting chipsy tari, petty, hitty party like bolt. Yeah, so I'm saying, feeling like it's super saiyan, petty spinzy plus with young corn, son kwa nye planet, so to client. Teta nami zami kanela, so zami camera before 6 safer like it's panera. Let's ride, you got pin code when a rapper, what you in it for? The thing you call it flash, plus it kazi, plus it skin before kill a show. Uzamu beef for kazi, please be sure.
Cause I can smack you down, one beef, wait, I eat it raw. Don't feed me pork if you want beef, but I keep it gone. I'ma stick up to this poetry and never leave it cause I'm that nigga who can show you shit you've never seen before. Naseka sibaya yazing but not Iintsimbi, sure. Black.
I'll sing zakhona, I'll play Iintsimbi
zakhona. Pin code coming through now, check it, yo. Niggas hating on me cause I wrote solo perfect, and I got no purpose. Either goals you pervert, see I don't get this shit. Hip hop is more than capping, we chose to rap. Plus this shit was supposed to happen. See I can put me amongst the best, I can show you I'm precious. My clothes needs that shine, but they ain't what I'm going after. That's controversial, but still these niggas can't throw verses. Cause when they get on the mic, it's either the choke bro, that's it, you hold me headed. Put me on a song, oh damn it, I told you faggots. I'll be back on my zone now, check it. I'm on your neck, bitch. All these flows cause damage, I'm so talented. Oh no, I'm dope, no cannabis. Throw your tantrums, no jokes. Post your albums if you don't give a damn about me. Since you know me better, I cope for the hell of it. You all know, flow so elegant, show my intelligence. Cause we're shown on corny like Ferguson. No ghost never, but still I gotta go get him. I'm solo. Get it like I lost the homeboys that I work with, of course we better. And since we on this road together, man, no more whack shit. Niggas better show more rap skills and more like metaphors and flows, bars more matters. You broke so casness. Y'all niggas don't know what rap is. Now get off your asses and grow more. Go for practice. Total savages in this bitch. I told you bastards.
What? I'll sing zakhona, I'll play Iintsimbi zakhona, I'll get this thing
Act tough, watch how your mood change. And who's great, we feed you easy if not cooked straight. We do plays, teach you quickly and be full mate. Doomsday to show you afterlife in a smooth way. No rules, Limo it's all good. Code Luke, 3 points in a hoop for the whole shoot. I don't puke, I'm Goku. I don't lose, I grow fruits with my lyrics, I'll show you. But the black I kept it humble, now it's time I let it ring. Mentally, had to bring in the vision I ever wished. Energy was the reason I'm gifted with these melodies. Get a seat, let me release this in Jazam and have some feast. We cool, wait. Bars like they push weight with the gods, never two-faced from the start. Not like good taste, I'm still hard and I move brave with this odds. Time to school fakes, legends in the making. We are top of the food chain. This is a death penalty, trapped mentally. Get brutalized by these borderless test energies. Be crucified if you think you super fine. Cause Tina, we unified, the 3 ninjas that movie lines. We own the game, you know the name. We real heavy, control the game. We show you flames and be still angry. I'll go straight, of course we brave. This beat classic, we load and aim and blow your way and keep crashing.
I'll sing zakhona, I'll play Iintsimbi zakhona, I'll get this thing zakhona, I'll play it.
So they have it. This is just a corner, they are back again. Shout out to Streetsouljah. Shout out to myself.
Hey yo, Limo. I hope my rebellion this time, Georgia. That's it for 2020 more. That's it. I'm a child, Sure.